Good morning from wherever you're joining us from. We should begin. This is going to be a pre-recorded YouTube video. You could find it on our YouTube channel at HFM Kenya. Kindly go there, subscribe and like so that everything we post, you could use it to your advantage. My name is Kefa Eric, your market analyst here at HFM, your number one broker in Kenya and beyond. Now, beginning from a fundamental analysis point of view, yesterday we had quite a number of economic data coming out, which has affected the overall movement of the market. And it is important to note that this high impact news came from three major countries: Australia, Europe, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Now, how did this indicate the economic health of these particular jurisdictions? And our work as retail traders is to link this with the currencies that we trade, which is majorly the major pairs. And of course, today I have not forgotten the GBP, JPY guys who have noted there are quite a number. So beginning on swiftly, the Australian high impact news from Australia shows that the manufacturing industry is struggling and the services are quite steady. So that would mean the Australian dollar is losing its power, right? So it means that on the AUD USD, shorts are short or selling is quite a brilliant idea at this particular time. In Europe, we had mixed performance with the services holding but manufacturing contracting. What does that mean? We had both positive and negative implication to which affects the euro. But overall, the manufacturing industry is contracting to mean that it is reducing its power, which shows that the euro is slightly losing its power. In the United Kingdom, which affects the Great British Pound, we have positive signs in both sectors. We are going to look at that and see how this translates to the Great British Pound, GBP pairs like GJ for the GJ guys, GU for the GU guys, and overall the country which affects the entire world economic system with the United States. We had job market news showing stabilization, but housing and manufacturing facing challenges. This would mean